Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I created this nice simple glam look for the holidays. So all the shades that I'm using today are in the James Charles palette, the Morphe palette, and the Juvias Place Warriors 2 palette. First shade I'm going in is like a dark green, and I'm just tapping that into my crease with a fluffy brush that I got from CVS. It's Wet n Wild. Now I'm going in with this lime green shade. It's literally right next to it in the palette, and I'm just tapping that above my crease, blending out the harsh lines from the dark green, and I'm just diffusing the shades together and making them look nice. Now I'm going back in with the dark green, and I'm just going like back and forth with the shades, just making sure that the shades are present, and it's how I like it, you know, nice and bright and vivid. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now, and I'm just blending the shades together. Now I'm going in with a yellow shade that's also in the palette. So I basically kind of applied it on top of the lime green, and I'm just blending those two shades out. Now I'm going in with this navy blue shade, and I'm just tapping that on top of the dark green, and I am trying to make my crease a bit darker. So I use this navy blue shade to apply that in my crease, and I'm just gonna go back and forth with all the shades that I use. And this is how it came out. Yes. And if you're wondering where I got my contacts from, you guys, I got these contacts from my vendor because I'm going to be selling eye contacts soon. Once I drop my my business, once I drop that, everyone will be able to purchase. But I mean, I am doing purchases now, but you would have to like message me on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, PrettyGangMUA, and just DM me, and I have different shades I can share with you through DM, and we can go from there until my brand drops. And that's basically what it is right now. And right now I'm just going back in with the the navy blue, and I am just applying that at the end of my cut crease. I cut my crease with P. Louise Base in 0, and I'm just doing the other side. Now I'm going in with this glitter that I got from Glowup Academy. I love her glitters. It's so amazing. But before I go in, I'm gonna tap in this tan shade from the Warriors 2 palette from Juvias Place, and I'm using this flat fluffy brush to do so, and I'm just tapping that right on top of my cut crease. And then I'm going right back in with the dark blue, and I'm just blending out that shade even more into the tan shade. And now I'm going in with some glitter, and I decided to apply it on the cut crease instead of the lid. Maybe I should have did the lid. I don't know. But I don't know. I like it like this too. And I'm using lashed glue to apply the glitter. Now I'm going in with, I think this is NYX, is it? This is NYX Studio Fix Primer. And I just apply that all over my skin, on my face. And now I'm going in with NC50 Studio Sculpt Foundation from MAC. And I'm just taking my Morphe brush and I'm just buffing that into my skin. I didn't want this look to be, I wanted it to be kind of soft looking, not too like how I usually do my makeup. Usually my brows is like a little bit, you know, darker and probably more defined, but this time I decided to do something just, you know, soft and not so much, not so intense, because some people like soft makeup, some people like the really sharp and precise makeup. So I decided to do something, you know, really cute and soft for the holidays. So I went in with Deep and Tan Sand to conceal, and now I'm just using this beauty blender to blend out the edges of where I applied the concealers. And now I'm going in to actually set in, well, blend out my concealer under my eye. Now I'm going in with Laura Mercier to set my concealer. I left my foundation, my NARS foundation, New Caledonia. I left that back at home. So I have to go find me. So this is a great chance to go find a dupe, because I'm going to go back home soon and I'm not going to buy me another one. So I'm just going to go ahead and buy me a dupe. So this is a good chance, a great chance to try out new foundations. And right now I'm looking more so towards the L'Oreal Infallible and what's that other one? The L'Oreal True Match. So I'm looking towards that. I don't know. I think my shade color is C7 or C6. But I'm going to go to the store and try it out. And then I'm going to do a review on it since I never did it. But as always, I went in with Black Opal foundation stick as my contour. And I blended out with a Instapop flat brush. And then I went in with MAC Dark Deep mineralized finishing powder, and I applied that all over my skin. And I went in with Black Radiance Contour palette to set the contour, the Black Opal contour. And after that, I went in with some blush, and now I'm going in with Morphe setting mist to set my skin. And as always, I'm going in with Royal Hotness and from Dose of Colors. And I'm just taking my Wet n Wild pencil in dark brown. And I'm just lining up my lips. And I'm taking, what is this? I'm taking NYX liquid lipstick and Baby Doll. And I'm just applying that on my lip. And I'm just going to do like a natural lip. And for gloss, I'm using NYX Fortune Cookie. It's like a lip gloss. Yeah, it's a lip butter gloss, I think. And after that, this completes the look, you guys. Thank you for watching and sticking around to the end. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. And make sure to leave me some comments down below on what other videos you would like me to do. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.